Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to embed an interactive Figma prototype in a case study portfolio boost. If you're a UX designer eager to make your portfolio shine, this video is tailor-made for you. Today, I'll be guiding you step by step through the process of embedding an interactive prototype from Figma directly into your case study, using Behance as our platform of choice. By the end of this tutorial, you'll master the art of making your case studies come alive with dynamic, clickable prototypes. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also provides your viewers, including potential employers, a tangible way to engage with your work and truly understand your design prowess in action. So, without further ado, let's get started. To begin with, let's ensure that you have your interactive prototype ready in Figma. This means that you've crafted your screens and set up all the clickable elements, allowing your prototype to be fully interactive. If you haven't completed this step yet, take a moment to finalize those interactions and flows. Remember, a well-crafted prototype doesn't just look good. It effectively communicates how your design addresses real-world user challenges. Now, once your prototype is set up, open it in Figma and direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. Here, you'll find the Present button. It's time to click on that. This action opens a preview of your prototype, showing exactly what others will experience when they interact with your design. I like to think of this as your digital stage, where your creative work truly takes the spotlight. While in preview mode, take this opportunity to meticulously check all transitions and user flows. This acts as a final test to confirm everything is functioning as intended. If you notice any discrepancies, don't worry. Simply hop back into your design and make the necessary adjustments. It's far better to catch these issues now than after you've embedded the prototype. Next, while still viewing the prototype, locate the Share Prototype button, which is generally found at the top as well. Clicking this will unveil a menu where the sharing magic begins. Within this menu, you'll discover an option labeled Embed, or sometimes Code Embed. Click on this option. While it might sound complex, this feature simply generates a snippet of code known as an embed code. Think of this code as a gateway. When you paste it elsewhere, like on your Behance project page, it seamlessly integrates your interactive prototype, allowing visitors to interact without leaving the page. The next step is straightforward. Click the Copy Embed Code button. This process is swift, and you don't need to worry about altering any code. Just copy it, and you're all set for the next phase. Now, let's transition over to Behance, which serves as our portfolio platform for today's tutorial. Log into your account, and on the dashboard, you'll encounter a prominent button or link that invites you to share your work. Click on it and choose Create Project. This will open your new project editor, offering a variety of options for adding images, text, and importantly, a section for prototypes or embeds. The exact wording may vary, but you're searching for the spot where you can paste code. It's typically clearly labeled for ease of use. Once you've found it, paste the embed code you copied from Figma into that designated field. And just like that, your interactive prototype will be rendered by Behance, fully functional and ready for anyone viewing your portfolio to explore. Take a moment to preview your page to ensure everything appears as intended. Sometimes, the prototype may take a few seconds to load, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't appear instantly. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a live, interactive prototype into your case study. This not only showcases how your design looks, but also how it operates, providing a compelling narrative of your UX process that can captivate recruiters and collaborators alike. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to embed an interactive Figma prototype in a case study portfolio boost. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.